Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to underline text in WhatsApp. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you open up WhatsApp, they have all sorts of default, built-in functionality to bold text. Make it italic strike a throw, but they don't have underlying. That is not a functionality that's built right into WhatsApp. So to get an underlying text, what we'll have to do is open up Safari or Chrome, and we will type in underline. Text generator. So underline text generator. It doesn't really matter which one you use here. You can use any of them. And I'm just going to tap on this first one. Now, what we'll do is we'll scroll down and it says where your text is. I can just type in something random. And it gives you several different options on how you want to underline it, so you can see the different functionality and what it looks like. I'm just going to choose this very top one and hit the copy button right here. So now that I've copied that text as underlined, I can get out of there and I can go into what's up here. I'm just going to tap on the chat with myself and I'll paste it in here and I'll show you what it looks like. Then I can send it and you can see that it is underlined. You'll see that it's not perfect, and there's no just really clear, simple underlining a specific word or text. You could underline just one word within there, and maybe it'll look a little bit better. But if you underline all of it, it's kind of limited by all of these different options. Here you can see that none of them are perfect, but there is no way to have a kind of traditional underline in WhatsApp. So these are the best we can do in terms of a workaround. I hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.